Hey everyone, I would like to welcome y'all to the No Fix Studio. The nail shape area, and we're going to be using wooden dowels. The size I bought is 0.4375 inches by 36 inches, and I bought these from Micheals. And the reason why I got that size is I took the circle of the dial and I put it on my finger, and it basically matches that. You see that? It matches that. When you put the form on, like a finger. You could go to Home Depot, any hardware store, Lowe's, Micheals, like where I got these from. Probably Hobby Lobby, Joann's, but I'm pretty sure they have them there too. They do have a wood department in the back, almost, yes. And this is made in US. But what I would want everyone to do, if you buy it from a lot of places, make sure you get some sanding paper, or you could just use a nail file, but you would need to smooth some of this out because all the wood I seen there was rough, and these ones was the best ones. The tip of it at Micheals is black, to let you know this is the same size. So if you get all, make sure that the tips are the same color, so you know you got the same size. Some of them are not the best circly wise, so write down the shapes that you can personally do and divide it by however long the wood dowel is. So that's how I came up to getting 4 to be able to make them 7 inches. I was going on, orange was thick, and this is about 7 inches. So yeah, this is exactly 7 inches long. So what is happening here is I'm going to take the measuring tape and I'm going to measure from end to 7 inches and mark it. And every piece is going to be 7 inches. I want to line that perfectly up with the marking, as you can see, and then I'm going to go and cut it. And I'm going to spin it, cut it. You want to move it, so go back here, let it go back down inside the groove. Make sure you keep it up against the wall. See, it's cut at 7. Just making sure that it's all the way around. Yes, back in. Let's cut the rest. Now we could cut all the way through without worrying about it cracking on one side. That's my purpose of spinning it around in a circle. And now we have it. So we're gonna come back and have all the rest of them done. I'm also going to take off the saw, which I got this from Lowe's or Home Depot. Don't really remember the brand, and the brand isn't written anywhere on the saw part. So let's check out the base. This base right here. How is this the saw on here? You can do different angles. They even have a stop block. All right, so the next step, 20 millimeters would be the 2 centimeters. So from here to here, that's 20. So anything underneath that would be a short. Anything under 26 will be a medium. So 26 to 20 is a medium. 32 millimeters to 26 is long. And 38 to 32 is extra long. And anything over 38 millimeters, anything past that is called a custom lens. So what we're gonna do, because I have to build this up because it was broken like that, and I just wanna be able to use it. So I'm gonna put the form here, and I'm just gonna build this up and show you. So with this one, I'm going to take this file and just make sure everything is smooth, because it is a kind of rough one. It was on the cheaper side. Nothing wrong with that, but don't want to get any splinters. So let's get started. Let me clean up a little bit and then we will be back with the other half. Please remember, if you dream it, plan it so you can jump into action.